Welcome back to the Brainy Brothers channel, and this video focuses on the top 5 fighter jets of all time. So let's not waste any more time on the intro and move on to the video. So let's go! 5. The Dassault Rafale. The Dassault Rafale is a French twin-engine canard delta-wing multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation. Equipped with a wide range of weapons, the Rafale is intended to perform air supremacy and aerial reconnaissance. Moving on to number 4. The Sukhoi Su-17. The Sukhoi Su-17 is a Soviet-origin twin-engine super-maneuverable fighter aircraft designed by Sukhoi. It was intended as a direct competitor for the large United States fourth-generation fighters such as the Grumman F-14 Tomcat and the F-15 Eagle, which both we'll be covering in this video. Moving on to number 3. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat is an American supersonic twin-engine, two-seat, twin-tail, variable sweep-wing fighter aircraft. The Tomcat was developed for the United States Naval Fighter Experiment Program after the collapse of the F-111B project. Moving on to number 2. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. The McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle is an American twin-engine all-weather tactical fighter aircraft designed by McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing. The Eagle has been exported to Israel, Japan, and Saudi Arabia. The F-15 was originally envisioned as a pure air superiority aircraft. Now moving on to number 1. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is a single-seat, twin-engine, all-weather stealth tactical fighter aircraft developed for the United States Air Force. The aircraft is designed primarily as an air superiority fighter, but also has ground attack and electronic warfare. And this fighter jet held the vehicle of Starscream, a Decepticon, in the Transformer movies 1, 2, 3. Well, seems like the video is over, so let's fly out and drop some light bombs. Bye! Wait. One more thing. Comment what the next video should be about. Now bye and drop those likes.